Hi everybody, if you want to be selfie ready for your iftar parties and you want a makeup look that looks good in person and as well as on the camera, so let's create one. So let's start with the selfie ready primer, which will make your makeup last all day and it will look good in person and on camera as well. This minimizes your pores and makes your foundation look flawless. So we're going to be using the Selfie-Ready foundation, which has a medium to buildable coverage. It gives a flawless camera-ready look and it is pore minimizing as well. This foundation will keep you looking fresh and dewy, yet it is so long lasting for your iftar parties. You can apply a light layer or even build it up. I am opting for a medium coverage at the moment. So now to set the face, we will use the Selfie-Ready face powder. This is a mattifying powder. It controls oil and makes your makeup last all day. You can either use a powder puff or a brush to apply it, but I like using powder puff under the eyes, and if you have oily skin, use this all over your face. But for people who have dry skin, you can use it lightly with a light dusting of a fluffy brush. Now let's apply blush on. It is my favorite part of the makeup look. This is Amrij super pigmented blush on. This is in the shade 04. This is a beautiful hot pink color. इससे घबराना नहीं आपने. You can take a tiny bit on the brush. Just tap a little bit on your hand या किसी palette पे. It looks so pretty. This is also a long wearing formula and it is also oil controlling and gives a flush to the cheeks. बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलर है ये. I also take a tiny bit of it and take it over the eyes because it gives such a nice cohesive look. अगर आप वही थोड़ा सा कलर अपने eyelids पर भी लगा लेते हैं तो nothing too specific, बस एक slight सी dusting लगा दें eyes के ऊपर. Next we will use the Divine mascara, which is also super long lasting, transfer proof, and it separates out your lashes and gives such a nice fluttery effect to the eyes. This mascara opens up the eyes and it holds the curl and does not transfer at all. Open. So for the lipstick, I'm going to be using this Selfie-Ready lipstick. This is in the shade Hippie Pink, which is a beautiful dusty pink color. And it goes so well with this makeup look. It is a comfortable finish on the lips. It is highly pigmented and very long lasting. I feel like lip liners make a hell of a difference. Just look at this beautiful color. Such a pretty shade. So that is our selfie ready iftar makeup look, and do try it out. Tag us in your glam looks, let us know how they turn out, and if you guys also want to get your hands on these products, then don't forget, go and check out their website, which is amrij.pk. Yeah, बहुत से बड़े retailers for all over Pakistan, you'll be able to get your hands on them. So stay tuned for the next episode.